Shay, and I'm here for my Walmart weekend haul. Like, I just left the gym, and like, your girl is super pumped right now. Look at that bicep pump! You guys know I have a fitness channel, so if you want to go over there, I always have a link in the description if you want to see what I'm doing on that channel. And so, yeah, listen, you guys. I did not get a weekend bonus this weekend. This is the second weekend I didn't get one. Ibotta was like, no, go to the back of the line. Do not pass go. Go to jail. Ibotta's like, no, boo-boo. And so that kind of sucks. But at the same time, like I said before, y'all, it's a little refreshing to not feel like you have to hit a quota. You know what I mean? So it's like, I don't have to do really nothing if I don't want to.
Like, I don't have to hit that 18. I don't have to hit that 15. I don't have to hit that 10. I can hit what I want to hit.
And I actually kind of like that. But I kind of want the bonus too. You know what I'm saying? But if you're new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face, I am Shay. Definitely subscribe. Also, make sure you smash like button. Support your girl. It's the littlest, simplest thing you could do. It's the freest thing you could do. You're going to learn something new. All right? You're going to learn about some deals. And you're gonna get a lot of entertainment too, you know what I'm saying? So definitely subscribe, hit the like button, support your girl, like I said. And don't forget to make sure your post notifications are on as well. No bonus. But I do have the is it rock and roll? Is that what it's called, y'all? Help me out. Help me out in the comments. What did y'all get? Let me know in the comments what y'all got. I got 95 offers for $35. And I got 18 of them in my last haul. I'm not sure how many I'm going to do today, but I'm just going to do like what I want to do, to be honest. I will definitely be doing Rockstar at Food for Less, which I know a lot of you were saying that Kroger affiliate, well, at Kroger, it's 99 cents. It's a part of the, I think it's a part, is it a part of a buy five or something like that? Anyways, I have Food for Less, which is also a Kroger affiliate, and they're $1 there this week as well. And what else did I get from there? I got the body armor from there as well. They are 4 for $5, so they're $125 each. So I got 2 of those, paid $250, got back $150 on Ibotta. And then I did the bubbly again. And what else did I do? I did the Snapple again, and I did Rockstar. I think I did it 3 times yesterday. I'll probably do it a couple more times on my way home. What else did I want to add? Dollar Tree, I did the refresh again. Really quick though, I did it in my last haul. I did my points, Swagbucks, and inbox dollars. It went into review on my points and inbox. It didn't get approved. I put another ticket in and it got approved. Now really quick, one big tip: when they have to correct your receipt, it depends on how they do it. So if they do award you the points, it depends on how they do it. Whether you can actually do it again, like, you know, like low-key. So, the way that my points credited me, the offer was still on my list. So I did it again, right? The way that inbox credited me, it's no longer on my list. So I couldn't do it again there. But so I did it on my points again, and I did it on Tada. What else did I do there? I think I did Rockstar one time. And I think that was basically it. Other than that, you guys, we're going to head into Walmart. We're going to see what kind of awesome deals that we can grab. Let me just tell you right now, the deals are not really dealing. So I'm just going to put it out there. The deals are not dealing. And so we're going to see what kind of deals that we can get, though. If you want to see what your girl got, you know what to do. Keep on watching. All right, guys. So this first deal is on the Toasted flatbread crackers. They're priced at $3.64. I tried these and they're actually pretty good. The Italian and herb ones. So price at $3.64. Getting back to on Ibotta. I also have a brand club survey I'll probably do as well, making that only $109. All right. Next up is the Club Minis. The Parmesan garlic ones are the Townhouse flip side minis. All right, they're both priced at $3.96. Getting back to one Ibotta, limit is 3, so you can definitely mix and match. And then there's also a brand club survey for 45 cents, making that $151. So I'm gonna grab some Surly ham. I'm gonna do a pound, getting back $6 on Swagbucks. My points and bucks are Tada. I believe on my points it's like $6.47, I think. So it'll make it pretty cheap. It's only $8.47 per pound. So what is that? Like $2 for a pound? I think it's a pretty good deal.
And so,
All right,
yeah.
so this next deal is going to be on the Yasso. I think that's how it's pronounced. I've seen a few of you guys do this deal. I'm still on the fence because I don't have the freezer space, but if I take them out the box, I can make space, right? So these are priced at $5.23. Now I don't have the offer on Ibotta, but I figured, you know what, this would be a nice little sweet little, low calorie treat. And so I'm gonna go ahead and grab two of them. I'll pay $10.46. I'll get back $4 on inbox dollars for buying two, and then I'll get back a total of $2.50 on checkout 51. So it'll make them $1.98 each. But you know what? Let me tell y'all what's really, really good. These are really freaking good. These skinny cow ones, OMG, those are so bomb. And they have another one that's like a variety pack. It has the chocolate ones in there as well. So it's chocolate and vanilla mixed. So freaking good. I love them. And they're only like 150 calories, I want to say. Not that y'all care, but in case you do care. Yep, 150 calories. And they are so freaking good. And
Things
so
will never cease to amaze me. Like never. Anyway, so listen. So this deal here is going to be on the Swerve cookie mix. They are priced at $6.48. I was kind of on the fence with this deal, but I was like, hey, why not, right? So we're gonna grab, well, you can grab two of them. You'll pay $12.96. You'll get back $2 for each on Ibotta. You'll get back $7 on inbox dollars. The offer on checkout 51 is no longer there. So it would make them $1.96 each. Of course, you can always grab four. You'll pay $25.92, get back $8 on Ibotta and $14 on inbox dollars, making it $3.92 for four of them, are only like 98 cents each. On the Fancy Feast gems, I totally forget though. This store doesn't sell the gems. It's at the other location. However, they are priced at $2.48. Now it is a buy one get one free offer on Ibotta, so you're gonna pay $4.96 for two of them. You'll get $2.48 back on Ibotta. There's also a dollar on Swagbucks as well. It makes them 74 cents each. Now there is also a dollar on ShopMe and Alexa, but it's not scanning. At least last I checked. I will confirm for sure and pop up if it's scanning as of now. Sometimes they add those UPCs later, and eventually it works. I did have to put a ticket in when I did the deal and I did get my my dollar that way. And so yeah. All right, next up is the Glade warmers, either the single pack or the double pack. The single pack is $1.78, getting back a dollar on Ibotta. There's also a 45-cent brand club survey as well, making that 33 cents. Or you could always grab the two pack for $3.48, getting back $2 on Ibotta. And then for that one, there's a 40-cent brand club survey, so it'll make that one 38. All right, next up is going to be the All Free and Clear. It's the Mighty Packs, priced at $4.97, getting back $8 on Ibotta. There's also 600 kicks on Shopkick, which is $2.40. And then I also have a brand club survey for 55 cents, making that only $1.02. Okay, really quick, there is a 10-cent any toilet paper offer on Ibotta. The cheapest one they have is this one here at 98 cents for the 4-pack. Aren't these rolls like extremely fucking tiny? Like, I don't know if it's just my mind is so used to mega rolls and really huge rolls. At this right here, I'll be like, what is this? Like 12 wipes? Anyways, if you need toilet paper, if you really, really need it, and you don't have like a life supply of the Babu one at home from CVS forever ago, this is a deal for you at 88 cents after your 10-cent back on Ibotta. Poise. All right, so next deal is on the Poise. I'm not gonna do this deal, but I'm gonna go ahead and share it with you in case you didn't do it yet. So it's on the Poise. I've been grabbing the 30 count, price at $5.97. You'll pay $11.94, get back $2 for each on Ibotta, $5 on ShopMe, and $5 on Swagbucks. So it'll make it a $2.06 moneymaker. You might still have Shopkick offers, however, I do not. And then the other option for this, if you don't have ShopMe, which I don't have ShopMe or Alexa anymore, the other option would be to grab two of them. You'll end up paying again $11.94. You'll get back $4 on Ibotta, and then you'll get back $5 on Swagbucks. So it'll make it $147 each, which, look, I have a gazillion of these at home. I ain't no way. Ain't no way. Ain't no way. Ain't no way. Ain't no way I'm gonna pay for these. Um, and then the other thing I wanted to mention is that the $5 back when you buy two offer, it does also work at Dollar Tree, which I did for Alexa in my last haul, and it scans perfectly fine. And it actually went through pretty fast on Alexa. And so that's an option for you as well to make it a total of 50-cent moneymaker. All right. All right. My next deal is on the Big Easy Rinse. They are priced at $6.78. If you are in dire need, like in dire, and you don't have a quadrillion razors at home like me, this is the deal for you. I got you, boo. So they're priced at $6.78, getting back $5 on Ibotta. Is going to make that $178. Now you can either grab the men or you can grab the women. I've been grabbing this one just because I think it's kind of cool because it's in a box. And so, yeah. Hello. This deal's on the Hello 81 toothpaste. It's priced at $6.26. Getting back 3 on Ibotta, 25 on inbox dollars, 450 kicks on Shopkick, which is $180, and a 55-cent brand club survey makes us only 66 cents. So yeah, we're grabbing it. Next up is the Old Spice Sure Is Nice. It's priced at $5.97. Getting back $2 on Ibotta, 500 kicks on Shopkick, which is $2. It makes it $197. So yeah, I'm gonna pass. It's gonna surely sit there on the shelf. Okay, so this next deal is on the Children's Claritin. This is the year I was born, you guys. 1977. Ageless, right? Right, I know. Anyways, listen, so it's on the Children's Claritin, price at $12.26. I'm getting back 5 on Shopmium. There's 3 on Swagbucks. There's 1,500 kicks on Shopkick, which is $6. 75 cents on Checkout 51 and 55 cents on Brand Club, making this a $3.04 moneymaker. So this next deal I saw a Sister Saving You Cents post. It's on the Alka-Seltzer Fizzy Melts. I'm probably gonna pass because I dead ass ain't trying to wait for somebody to open this case for me. So it's priced at $5.48 at my store. I'm getting back 900 kicks on Shopkick, which is $3.60, and then a 55-cent Brand Club, so we make that $133. Again, I'm gonna pass because look, she's been waiting forever, and I know I'm gonna be waiting forever too. So we gotta go, but not a bad deal. All right, so I found the Tylenol. It's in the trial section. I posted this on my community tab last night. I saw Miss Nicole on Instagram post it. They only have this one here. It's priced at $2.23. I'm gonna check the checkouts and see if I can find some more over there. But priced at $2.23, you'll get back 2 on Ibotta. It does include the 10 count, and you can do this on Ibotta. You can also do it separate on a separate receipt for Walmart Cash as well, which is what I definitely am gonna do if I can find any more than this. And so yeah. Of course, this is the case that they're locked up and they're $188. I always try because sometimes you just gotta try. Sometimes it be open. Surprise yourself. I'm gonna grab these here. They're priced at $188. I didn't even do the math for these because I didn't think that I was gonna find them. So let me see really quick what the math is. Ready? Okay. You're gonna pay $188, getting back 2 on Ibotta or Walmart Cash and make it a 12-cent moneymaker. So I'm gonna go ahead and get a total of 6 well, I'm going to get a total of 3 on 2 separate transactions. For Walmart rewards, we're going to use Walmart Pay to pay for it. And for the other one, it's going to be on the receipt with the rest of our Ibotta offers. And so it'll make all 6 of them absolutely free, plus a nice little moneymaker. I got mine. Luckily, one of the shoppers came over here and she was able to open it for me. But this was the last deal. So if you made it to the last deal, y'all see me? If you made it to the last deal, yes, me, yes, you, if you made it to the last deal, I want to see a brain emoji since we're getting stuff that is supposed to cure your headache and cure your pain. All right, so I appreciate you watching to the last deal, and I will see you guys at home for the final breakdown. All right, guys, so here is our complete haul for today. I don't know why I'm so excited. This haul cost me, y'all, and that don't happen all that often. But there's stuff I definitely could have just passed on. Like
the cookie mix. I could have passed without that. I could have just did 2. Why am I greedy asking 4? Huh? Why? Because I'm greedy. I could have did without these ice creams right here, but I was like, dang, these gonna be so good. I know they are. And they only have 100 calories too. And you can eat the whole box and not really feel that bad. My greedy ass. So there were some things I could have did without. The Claritin wasn't on my Shopkick no more. I put a ticket in. I don't know how that's gonna work out, because lately Shopkick has been like, it depends who representative you get, because I forget which one be telling me no all the time, and I just put another ticket in. So I'm not even gonna count that $6, but that's costing me, which sucks, because literally I have like 3 or 4 of those already still that are unopened. And yeah, and this ham cost me more than I expected. That's because it's thick as hell. I usually say thin slice. Look at those thick ass slices. So I could have got that closer to a, I'm sorry, Bug. He doesn't like when we swear. So I could have got that closer to a pound, but it's all right. That did go into review on my points, so just be aware of that. I didn't mention the clearance items I found yesterday. Centrum, $3, $2.50 on Ibotta, 55-cent. Brand Club makes it 45 cents. The Off, $2.50, $1.50 on Ibotta, 55-cent. Brand Club survey made that 45 cents. And the CoverGirl, $2.78, $2 back on Ibotta. No more Brand Club surveys unless they reset, making that 78 cents. Oh, you guys, I forgot to mention, I went to CVS. I had a Care Pass expiring, and I saw that Miss Star posted this little quick, easy deal, right? And I was like, this is perfect. $4.99 each. Buy 2, get back 5. Limit 2. Buy 4. Total was like $19.96, I want to say. After all of your digitals, it came down to, I think, $10.96. Use my $10 Care Pass. Pay 96 cents, got back 10. So that was a perfect little deal. I didn't include that in this, though. I didn't. But I just wanted to share that with y'all. I did go to CVS, and I was like, actually excited about that little deal. But other than that, you guys, yeah, this haul cost me. You know, I ain't used to it hauls costing me, but this one did cost me a bit. Again, I could have did without a few of these things for sure. Nonetheless, it's not a bad haul because we got some pretty decent good stuff, right? I got those ice creams that I'm freaking, I can't wait. Yeah, because these are like, what, $5 a piece? So even if I had just gone and got these, that's like buying these ice creams and getting everything else for free. So I'm cool with that. I could rationalize it in my head like that and make it make sense. All right. And so everything here retails $134.99. And then, of course, no coupons. Our tax was $6.54. And then we walk away with $39.50 from Ibotta. $34.21 from my points. Aisles is $25. Walmart cash is $6. Brand Club is $5.95. Tada is $5.25. Shop Mium is $5. Shopkick is $4.32. And Checkout 51. We haven't been hearing nothing from Checkout 51. But it was $3.25. So a total of $128.48 back in rebates. It nets us at $6.51, y'all. Which is not necessarily bad. Like I said, if I'm paying for the ice cream, getting everything free, I'm good with that. And so other than that, what's your emoji, Bug?
Hot sauce and chili pepper.
Hot sauce, because I don't think it's hot sauce. I'm pretty sure there's a chili pepper, though. So if you made it to the end, we really, really appreciate you, right, Bug? And we want you to what? Subscribe and like. He's my biggest cheerleader, y'all. And so if you made it to the end, we really appreciate you guys so much. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and we will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.